Hey guys, so today we are week 4, day 2 of math. So make sure you guys are on day 2 for week 4. So we are going to be continuing with time. So there are 2 assignments that you guys have to complete for today, so keep that in mind. I have them on a separate document, of course, as always, and Mrs. Almeida, we will send it to you through email, so make sure you ask your parents for those documents. So I have the first assignment up here. Again, what I recommend you guys, if you are still confused by the end of this, please ask questions, and use your resources. Use the videos that you have here and use the anchor charts. They are super, super helpful. So the first one is about this kid named Jaden. Jaden is going to spend a week visiting his aunt and Aunt Donna. Aunt Donna makes a chart to show what they will do on Monday. She draws clocks to show the schedule. So looking at these clocks, guys, it's a little confusing to figure out what the time is, but I figured out that the thicker hand is the hour and the thinner hand is the minute. So, but I also wrote it on a piece of paper here for you guys, and you'll be able to, if you guys want to pause the video and then write it down, you guys can do that as well. So I'm going to have it right here. So if you guys want to pause the video for a second and just write down all of these things that he did and the time. I even have like a key. Hour is red, minute equals purple. So I did it like this. And then I have a key right here too, whereas AM means morning, PM means afternoon and night. So just, if you want to look at this, pause it, you can do that. So the first thing that they're asking us is, Aunt Donna sets the alarm for the time they need to get up on Monday. If Jaden gets up at 8:05, is he early or late, and by how many minutes? Explain how you know. So it's asking us, is he early or late? That's question 1. How many minutes? That's question 2. And then explain to me how you guys know. So that's already 3 parts to this first question. So here we see that she wants them both to wake up at 8:55, but Jaden woke up at 8:05. So is he earlier or later? Remember to look at your minutes. Look at the purple. Is he early or did he wake up later? By how many minutes? And explain to me how you guys know. Then in this one gets a little tricky. You guys know that in a lot of word problems, they try to put in stuff that they are trying to trick you guys. They try to put in numbers that you really shouldn't even be looking at. So here it says, Jaden and Aunt Donna go to the cave museum. They arrive 10 minutes before the tour starts, which lasts an hour and 30 minutes. What time do they arrive at the cave museum? The only thing that is important in this sentence, guys, is what I highlighted in green. They arrive 10 minutes before the tour starts. What time do they arrive at the cave museum? This sentence right here does not matter at all. Only look at what I highlighted in green. Okay, so looking here, the cave store begins at 9:30. They arrived 10 minutes before 9:30. So what is that time? Now, that's the only time you have to tell me. What time did they arrive? And that's it. Those are your only 2 things that you have to do for me. Super easy. Now, assignment 2 is very simple. Norman is going to start his homework at 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. In order to make sure he finishes for his 7 o'clock TV show, he draws his number line. So here, the first 2 questions is asking us, is Norman's number line correct? You guys have to explain to me, by looking at his number line, is it correct? Because it takes him math 25 minutes. So 25, we go to 6:25. If you guys, he did reading for 19 minutes. 6:25 plus 19, is it 6:34? You guys should probably add your minutes. So you want to add 25 to 19. Do you get 6:34? Do that really quickly right now if you want to, guys, and see what you guys get. Is that the right answer? Okay. Now, once you add the 25 plus 19, if it doesn't match up with this, then you already know that the line is not correct. If you added 25 and 19 and it did add up to 34, then his number line is correct. If you guys also want to figure out more if it is incorrect or correct, then I suggest when you add 25 plus 19 and you get your number, add that number plus 15 minutes and see what you get. Does it go over the 7 o'clock or is it just in time for a 7 o'clock show? It says here that it looks like that he ended up okay for the 7 o'clock show. But I'm going to give you guys a hint. This doesn't look like it makes sense to me. So I suggest you guys add your minutes and see if they add up properly. I'll give you a hint. This right here is something funky is going on there. So you guys have to tell me, is it correct? Yes or no? And then you have to explain to me, will he finish his work in time for his 7 o'clock show? Alrighty? And that's pretty much it, you guys. If you guys have any questions, please ask. And of course, submit this through PowerSchool. And I hope you guys have a great day. Stay safe. If you can enjoy the weather in your backyard, or if you want to open up a window, I would definitely do that. Tomorrow's going to be nice and sunny. And best of luck.